Hi, this is Marcy Coate. This is a small journal that I made for my friend Candace. It features peonies and orchids, which are her favorite flowers. And it's pink because that's her favorite color. I used the Bursts of Beauty digital kit from Calico Collage, along with some digitals that I created myself from various clip art and images that I purchased or that I received as freebies. I made this journal very plain with very little decorations so that Candace will have room to write different things in it that she wants. And on the left here you'll see some pieces from Calico Collage Bursts of Beauty, and on the right is a little dedication, or this journal belongs to page that I created from clip art that I have. I created these page backgrounds, and on the left side I made it sort of a title page using a journal printable that I'm sorry I don't recall where I got it from. And on the right side I made the little pocket by printing on tracing paper and folding it to the size I needed. The orchids in the teacup image is from a set of 4 that I got from Design Bundles. I'll leave the link in the description below. I created the white peony on pink watercolor background from digital images that I have. The grid paper and script papers are from my Porch prints, and these beautiful full color pages featuring peonies and orchids are from Bursts of Beauty by Calico Collage. I love this kit, and actually Norella created it at my request. It has such gorgeous images, and she also has an add-on set of mason jar tags with these same flowers. When I gave the journal to my friend Candace, she was just amazed at how beautiful the flowers are. I created this tip-in page from a background by Katerina. She does stunning watercolors, and I believe that I have purchased absolutely everything that she has ever sold at the Hungry JPEG and other stores. I'm such a huge fan of her watercolors. Here are some more pages that I created, and I wanted to leave them very simple so that my friend has lots of room to write, even though it is such a small journal. On this next page on the left, I used a tag and postcard from a huge stash of digitals. I chose them because they match the color scheme of this journal. Here are some more pages from the Calico Collage kit. Such beautiful orchids and peonies. This is another pocket that I made from a postcard digital. I thought the dragonfly went really well with the flowers, and the little girl on the one tag is blonde just like Candace, so I told her that it could be her as a little girl, and she laughed. The mason jar tag is from the add-on kit that I mentioned, and I'll leave the link below. Okay, and here we have some fussy cut images from the kit. And then another page that I created. I glued some die cuts to the ends of the crochet thread that I used to sew the pages together. I love doing that in my journals. In this pocket there's one of the mason jar tags and also a piece of printable coffee dyed paper from my Porch prints. I folded it up so that it can be used as a journaling spot, and then she can tuck it in behind the other tag to keep it hidden if she likes. Here are some more fussy cut images from the kit, and then another postcard pocket with several tags in it. One of them is from the kit, and the other 2 are from my digital stash. I chose things that matched not only the color scheme of the kit, but also a general theme of vintage and florals. I'm very pleased with how this journal turned out, and Candace was quite happy to receive it. This pocket I made from a paper doily, and I put a flat fabric rosette on the front of it. Inside are 2 of the mason jar tags and a pretty daisy tag from my digital stash. I left the back of all the tags blank so she has more room to do journaling or write notes, etc. Okay, we're starting to wind down towards the end now with mostly background pages from the Bursts of Beauty kit and a few plain ones that I made myself. Here's another dragonfly postcard pocket. It has 2 tags and an image from a vintage seed catalog. I just love those. I could have thousands of them and never get tired of them. They just make me happy. The image on the right is from Calico Collage, the Daydreaming kit if I'm not mistaken. And another teacup with flowers from the set of 4 that I mentioned earlier. It has tags from the Daydreaming Printable Journal Kit by Calico Collage. The link is below. On this page, I made a tuck spot using a card and a tag from Daydreaming, and the second tag is from my digital stash. And here's another tuck spot with 2 tags from Bursts of Beauty and 1 from my stash. Some of the cards and postcards used in this journal are freebies from Arty Maze. I'll leave the link below. If you have any questions about items that I've used, please let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. This is the inside of the back cover with an image from Daydreaming glued to the page, and clipped to the page are a small card from Bursts of Beauty and a large postcard from my digital stash. The front and back cover images are from a set by Katerina called Garden vs. Meadow, available at the Hungry JPEG. The link is below. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe. See you next time.